fucking shit, man.
We're standing on East West Highway. The bus stop's all the way over there.
Bus stop all the way over there with the fucking globs of snow. They need to clean this shit up or they get fired. And I'm gonna sue because I got hurt. And if I know.
And I
you
fell
understand
in.
what I'm saying, people? In
My
America?
purse Micah gave me got wet, but it's alright.
Micah gave her, got with the little fake Gucci Gabbana.
It's not fake, supposedly. I don't think she would sell me. Number one. This is number one. Number four. No! I'm gonna get killed, man. It's very possible we might die standing on East West Highway.
You're doing some stupid shit by recording.
Because it's funny.
But fuck, you fucking truck. You fucking fucker.
Yeah, you fucking truck better go around. I'm standing in a fucking puddle with things I got from 7th grade. It's not that serious. Keep it moving.
Keep going!
Damn! Yes! No! Yes! No. The Bosco Silver Spring Station!
That's day 4.
Oh! We're blown. Limited stock. Can you, I hope, we're going to Silver Spring Station. Can you please pick us up? Please. I'm cold. You see this glob of snow? We can't even walk in it. I know, but it should. I'm not getting hit by no damn bus. I'm freezing and I fell in the snow. And I'm cold. Pulling a Christmas gift at the fucking mall. Yes, I see a bus. What does that say? The 11? 11! My friend. I'm gonna try to use my school ID. I'm not getting hit by no bus though. I'm not. I will get up. Yeah, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. That is so nice. The next lane for us. Please stop before, please, please, please. Come on, come on.